name is Elijah Bezo, and I'm the plant manager for Northstar Technologies, and welcome to the future.
My name is Paul Ingles. I'm the CEO of Northstar Technologies Group. Founded the company in 2020. After 20 years of development of the building system, Northstar was created to bring the Generation 7 of the product line to market. So I've been in commercial construction since 1986. Looked at all the deficiencies in the different systems from energy efficiency, sustainability, maintenance, longevity, and felt that there was a better way to build. Had an extensive background in fiber reinforced polymer composites since '86. Started looking at how we can incorporate them into a structural building system.
So using OC products came into play, I would say since the very beginning. When we designed our first wall, our Generation 5 composite wall, it had the OC glass in it, OC composites, and also had the OC insulation in it as well. The whole composites team, whole building science team flew down in April of 21, and we had some great meetings. We probably met 3 or 4 times after that. Myself and the team, along with Paul and Scott, and some of the other members flew up to Toledo as well, and we solidified our relationship right after that.
It's invaluable to us. We value that relationship, and that truly sets Northstar apart to be a building technology company, not just a typical manufacturer of composites. So instead of just using off-the-shelf product that necessarily would either be too heavy, cost prohibitive, or just wasn't the right product for the ultimate performance of the system, we're able to develop at the glass mat level with them, laminates, and then through internal testing, small-scale testing, they can validate the system, which provides our engineering team with the data that they need to do full-blown scale testing and certifications.